So we just went to the Real. I got tickets in advance because I was like, my friend Tootie loves the Real, and I was like,
we'll edit that out.
Yeah, as a Christmas gift, I was like, my gift to you because it's free. Literally, we get, I mean, do you not see the fit? Like, we literally did the most, beat the face, and they were like, we reached full capacity, like, sorry, come back tomorrow. Mind you, I leave for Seattle tomorrow, what a treat. So then we were like, I was really upset, not gonna lie. There was a moment where I didn't know thank you if I was gonna make it. So then, I mean, if you could see where we are right now.
We're gonna see Harry Potter, dude.
Yes. So then we're like, oh, no problem. Let's go to see Ellen. We're calling the line. We're calling the line on day of tickets, and we're like, hi there. They don't even answer the phones. We can't even say hi there. So we drive to the Ellen parking lot, and we're like, oh, like, hey, talk to the man at the parking garage, enamored by us.
Fine as hell.
He was literally like,
give us the pass. We were like, we're here for Ellen. He was like, no problem. Here you go.
I just want to say that right now we are at, where are we?
Warner Brothers Studio Tour, ladies.
Yes, Black Card B for Big Bang Theory.
We're in New York City.
This is really cute. We're gonna go watch a little movie maybe. She's gassed. You can't tell, but she's really gassed. Who is the Real?
I'm just upset because I missed a Gilmore Girl holiday event, but it's fine because it ended like 2 days ago, but it's okay.
But you gotta express that you like Gilmore Girls.
I have to. She said just yell it out.
Not gonna lie. Wait, hi there. Okay, not gonna lie, most excited to see Rosewood. I mean, yes. On the gates that we're about to go through, you'll see a W with a backwards J. That's for Jack Warner. He was the youngest of the 4 Warner brothers, and he. Okay, come on over for a second. All right, hey y'all. So we currently looking at these costumes. Tallulah is playing a video game, but the costumes are over there. Okay, I just want to say this has been like the most worth it experience.
Basically, our day turned around for the better.
So I would just like to say we had a hoot and a holler of a day. It was a great day. We saw Rosewood, we saw Gremlins, we saw
in Friends.
In the production. I will insert the footage here.
Both of us could go.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. I'll put a lot of extra thought into it.
Alright, so wait, no, don't do. That is fun. Hey, you know what? We all haven't been together, the 6 of us, in such a long time. What are you talking about? We're all together right now.
Mom, Chandler's not here.
Oh, you're not.
Also, this queen, she got an Oscar. I will insert the photo here. We didn't see Ellen.
You'll see her
Didn't see Ellen. But we saw, yeah, here's the thing, we also saw an actor from, what was the show called?
American Made?
American Made?
No, All American.
All American.
Close.
Either American Made, All American Made.
American Made is a Tom Cruise movie.
Maybe. So we saw him, and he was really something to look at. And he was really excited when he saw us. So now we're just casually in Warner Brothers, and it was really, I would recommend for anyone. Like, best $53 I've ever spent. There's a little, ooh, I'll show you a little a little set over there.
Make music.
We got some construction, but other than that, it's a pretty great day. I mean, you get a mini card.
So like if you ever try to go to the Real or Ellen and don't get in, just go to Studio Tour.
I guarantee you they will have tickets.
Same day we called and we had the best.
The best time. Best customer service, first of all. Also, if you're a SoCal resident, it's even cheaper. So if you live here, she also didn't really check her IDs, so depends on who you get, but would definitely recommend Amanda. She was a phenomenal woman. So now we're gonna get some food. Got a burger, another burger, a Tootie, a Josephine, a Sid that has something in her eye, clearly.
You want Linty? Mom is stuck. I'm hungry.
Okay, so we got some cheese fries, a burger, some onion, extra fries, a Sid that still has something in her eye, and a Josephine who really just has tenders and fries.
Why, you need one?
I got it.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Ow. We have more. Hi, Henry. I know you smell the chicken on my hands. Hi, Samantha. Oh, brother and sister.
I'm ready.
Marks up on my neck, and it's still there. I know, but I stood tall, but I stood. So it is the next day. I never really caught you up on what happened, but I'm currently at the airport. I have about 30 minutes before my flight boards. I'm so excited to be going to Seattle. I'm actually visiting a friend from college, so that's really exciting. Security was a breeze. Thankfully, I got to the airport probably about an hour and a half before my flight left, just because with the government being shut down, there was all like these reports on the news saying that security was going to go a lot slower. It was a breeze. I actually met a couple of like really nice people that were working at TSA, and yeah, so that was really cool. I don't think I like fully mentioned this. So I had got the tickets, the reservation went through, I got a confirmation email, and I was really excited. My friend Sula spent the night on Monday, which you guys saw. And then when we went Tuesday morning, I was vlogging in the car. We were all excited, we were having a good time, we were lit, whatever. And then I left my vlog camera in the car because it said that we couldn't bring any cameras to the taping, which I completely understood, so I was just gonna vlog on my phone. But what ended up happening was we got there, and like we get Starbucks, we think we have enough time, and then it's 10:30 and we're like in line and the reservation is for 10:30 in the morning, and essentially the guy says to us like, how many people are in your party? And we say 3. He's like, what's the reservation name under? And I give my name, and it's like, fine. And then he's like, yeah, we've reached maximum capacity today, we overbooked the show, can you come back tomorrow? And I'm like, I can't come back tomorrow because like I'm going to Seattle today. So we ended up rescheduling the reservation for next Tuesday. So next Tuesday we're gonna get there super early to secure a spot, but we were given guaranteed tickets this time, so we ended up going on a Warner Brothers tour, which is what you guys saw yesterday at the Warner Brothers Studios in Burbank, California, which was really fun, and it was honestly more fun than probably the show would have been. It was a little pricey, but it was 100% worth the money. If you've ever been to Universal Studios here in Los Angeles, it's similar to the Backlot tour, but much more thorough. You get to walk out. We walked on the set of like Pretty Little Liars, Gilmore Girls. We went into a couple of sound stages. We saw the set of Friends. It was really worth the money, and I would definitely recommend it to any tourists or any like SoCal residents because they have a discount for SoCal residents. So it ended up being a really great day. We then went to get dinner with Cholula and her sister Josephine, and then like I said, we just went to my dad's and then came back to my mom's. But yeah, so that was pretty much like yesterday's day.